Before starting the course, it is really important that you know the prerequisites of this course. And I'm going to explain this in what you should know section. The first thing is that this course is for intermediate developers. If you are just starting out with iOS development, this course might be too difficult for you. You should have an understanding of iOS app architecture. Keep in mind that this course is not really about learning iOS development. This course is about how to integrate an iOS application with the Firebase framework. For that, I will be using Swift language. So a medium or intermediate advanced level of Swift language prerequisite is recommended. If you don't know Swift language, then this code might be too hard for you. And the last thing is CocoaPods. I will be using CocoaPods throughout this course. CocoaPod is a library to download dependency and integrate with your application. We will be using CocoaPod for Firebase and also JSQ Messages Controller, which is a third-party library. So this course is not going to cover how to install CocoaPods or how to set up CocoaPods, but this course is definitely going to be using CocoaPods to download third-party libraries. So once again, if you are coming to this course thinking that you will learn iOS development, this is definitely not the course for you. This course is not about teaching you iOS development. This course is about integrating Firebase with iOS development. All right. Also, if you're a beginner, this course might not be for you. There are a lot of courses, a lot of amazing courses on Udemy that are for beginners. This is more for intermediate developers who already understand the iOS app architecture and they are already comfortable with writing code in the Swift programming language.